Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best STEM toys are probably one of the most exciting and educational gifts you can give to a 6-year-old boy, offering a fantastic opportunity to spark their curiosity and foster a lifelong love for science, technology, engineering, and mathematics through hands-on, engaging play that encourages critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Number 5. Threeking RC Flip Stunt Car. Introducing the Threeking RC Flip Stunt Car, designed for endless excitement for boys and girls aged 6 to 12. Get ready for a thrilling ride. This car goes beyond the ordinary. With its double-sided driving and 360-degree flips, it easily overcomes obstacles, ensuring non-stop fun and an exhilarating experience for your child. Experience a more colorful playtime with its unique breathing headlamps and soft, automatic color-changing lights. These eye protection lights add a special touch to every adventure. Equipped with powerful electric motors and high-quality tires, it delivers instant explosive power and excellent grip. Take the excitement indoors or outdoors with its impressive performance. Enjoy an easier play experience with a one-click demo function. The intuitive controller design makes operation simple, offering a unique differential driving sensation. Crafted from high-quality ABS plastic with durable motors and robust construction, this toy is built for long-lasting play. We ensure quality for extended enjoyment. With its 2.4 GHz frequency, you can race up to 6 cars simultaneously without interference. Enjoy thrilling races with a range of up to 160 feet. What we like. This remote-controlled car offers an exciting and versatile experience with its double-sided driving and 360 degrees flip capabilities. It's designed to overcome obstacles and keep the fun going even after a rollover. If you're looking for a toy that provides non-stop action and can handle rough play, this is a fantastic choice for hours of entertainment. What people say. It is fast, easy to control and responds very well to the remote control, which makes it very fun for both children and adults. These buggies are well made, cute, and provide lasting enjoyment. The big tires can roll over any terrain, the colors are bright and engaging, and they really zip around. Number 4. Klutz Lego Gearbot STEM Kit. Unleash your creativity and build 8 incredible physics-driven creatures. You'll use Lego Technic bricks and papercraft to bring them to life. No need to search for parts. This kit includes every Lego element required for your builds, making it easy to get started right away. Discover the fascinating world of STEM with a 64-page book packed with information. Explore axles, cams, cranks, and how engineering works in everyday machines. Follow along with clear, step-by-step instructions to ensure successful assembly. Even complex builds become manageable and fun. Designed for young innovators aged 8 to 12, this kit provides hours of engaging and educational fun. It's a fantastic way to explore science and engineering. Get ready for an exciting journey into mechanics and design. This kit offers a hands-on experience that makes learning about engineering a blast. What we like. This activity kit allows kids to build 8 unique, physics-driven kinetic creatures using Lego Technic bricks and papercraft. It's packed with STEM content explaining axles, cams, and cranks in everyday machines. If your child loves Legos and enjoys understanding how things work, this kit offers a creative and educational building experience. What people say. The amount of items in the box was great. The concept of using gears to create bots is a great way to introduce mechanical movement to kids. The kit is the perfect mix of learning and fun, building cool bots while understanding real mechanics. It's hands-on, screen-free, and feels like playtime disguised as education. Number 3. Goopow Kids Camera Toys. Looking for the ideal gift for children aged 3 to 8? This upgraded digital camera is designed with them in mind, featuring a child-friendly soft cover and a vibrant 2.0 LCD screen. It's the perfect way to capture their first memories. This toy video camera delivers significantly improved photo definition compared to others on the market. It can record up to 1080p video and features an 8x digital zoom, ensuring every wonderful moment is captured clearly. This device offers a variety of engaging functions beyond just taking pictures and videos. It includes fun puzzle games, some of which are motion-controlled, and 28 scene selections for photos, providing endless entertainment. With a built-in rechargeable battery offering up to 2 hours of continuous use, this camera is ready for adventure. It supports up to 32 GB SD cards and is incredibly simple for children to operate. Remember, charging should be supervised by an adult. Weighing only 100 g and featuring a compact design, this camera is easy for children to carry. It comes with a lanyard, encouraging them to take it on outdoor adventures and capture the beauty of nature. Downloading photos and videos to a computer is simple using the included card reader. This allows children to easily share their captured moments and creations with family and friends, fostering a sense of accomplishment. What we like. This kid's camera is designed to capture clear photos and 1080p videos, featuring an 8x digital zoom and fun selfie mode. It also includes multiple games for added entertainment. If you want to encourage your child's creativity and let them document their adventures, this easy-to-use, portable camera is a great way to start. What people say. The kit is a great introduction to circuits, with clear instructions and colorful components. My son loved building the different projects, especially the light-up robot. It was engaging and educational. The quality of the materials is good, and the included booklet explains the concepts well. Number 2. Dr. Jupiter, my first science kit. Ignite your child's passion for science with over 100 amazing experiments. This kit is designed to spark their interest and encourage problem-solving skills. Let them explore STEM concepts through hands-on activities. It's a fantastic way for them to ask questions, make observations, and discover the world around them. Give the gift of over 100 days of screen-free fun. It's ideal for birthdays or holidays, making them feel like real scientists as they uncover magical experiences. Our kit includes easy-to-follow, step-by-step instruction manuals. Both kids and adults can seamlessly perform all the exciting experiments together. This kit meets the highest US safety standards. We pride ourselves on providing premium equipment and comprehensive manuals for a perfect learning experience. We are confident you'll love this science kit. If you're not completely satisfied, we offer a 100% refund, no questions asked. What we like. This science kit provides over 100 mind-boggling experiments designed to foster an early love for science and critical thinking. It offers over 100 days of screen-free fun, making learning engaging and hands-on. If you're searching for an educational gift that sparks curiosity and encourages problem-solving, this kit is perfect for budding young scientists. What people say. The kit includes over 135 experiments, which are engaging, educational, and fun. It's perfect for sparking curiosity and encouraging STEM learning in kids. Everything is neatly organized and all the materials you need are included, which makes setup easy and stress-free. The instructions are simple and straightforward, and I love that each experiment explains the science behind it in a kid-friendly way. It's packed with over 135 experiments, which keeps her busy and curious for hours. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, making it perfect for kids aged 6 to 14. Number 1. HAHALAND 5-in-1 Building Take-Apart Trucks Transform to Robot. Unleash the fun with this incredible toy that transforms from 5 different trucks into an awesome robot. Building is a breeze with clear, step-by-step instructions. This engaging toy is designed to boost your child's fine motor skills and logical thinking. It encourages creativity and problem-solving through hands-on play. Watch their eyes light up as the robot's eyes glow and cool sound effects play. Realistic rolling wheels add to the imaginative play experience. Built to last and designed with safety in mind, this toy can handle even the most active playtime. It meets all safety standards for children ages 5 to 8. Looking for the perfect gift? This durable and engaging toy is a guaranteed hit for birthdays and holidays, offering endless replay value and excitement. What we like. This toy offers incredible replay value, transforming from 5 different trucks into one robot, complete with lights and sounds. It includes a child-safe screwdriver to boost fine motor skills and logical thinking. If your child enjoys building, transforming toys, and hands-on play, this versatile set will provide endless imaginative adventures. What people say. They love putting them together and playing with the parts separately. He particularly enjoys using the screwdriver for assembling and disassembling the robot. Plastic is sturdy. What I liked was that the screwdriver is incorporated as part of a vehicle, so chances of it getting lost is slim. The robot almost assembled. With a little support from Papa, and him doing all the assembly, we had the large robot all together. He was so proud. I was very impressed watching him with the screwdriver, and figuring out the different plastic screw sizes and turning the pieces to fit correctly. Definitely a great building toy for the imaginative mind. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.